Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I will give you tutorial how configuration, upgrade and downgrade in RouterOS Mikrotik. Okay, the purpose of the lab is for learning and decide architecture of this device and then doing configuration, upgrade and downgrade RouterOS. First I want to upgrade RouterOS. The purpose of configuration upgrade is for repair bugs and for add the new feature. Okay, this is the topology. This my router is connect to Ether 2 in router Mikrotik and Ether 1 is connect to ISP. In this lab, you must to configure the internet access in this router like this and then that the router has connect to internet. Okay, the first is remote the router with the Winbox. This is I'm using MAC address of my router, login as admin and the password is blank, click connect. You must to check that the router has connect to internet with the command ping google.com. Click enter. Okay, you can see that the router has connected to google.com. And then I want to check this software in my router with command system resource print. Okay, you can see that my version router is 9.47.8 and then stable, and my architecture name is MIPS. I want to upgrade the router to 9.48.1 with command system package update. Click enter. Check for update and then click enter. Okay, you can see this is my installation version and the new version is 9.48.1 and status is new version is available. And then install or upgrade this router with the command system package update install and then click enter. And then wait for a minute until the status downloaded is changed to finish. Okay, you can see that downloaded is finished and automatically the router is reboot by itself. You must waiting the router is reboot. Okay, the router is all ready to use again. Login with MAC address and then click connect again. And then check the RouterOS with the command system resource print. Okay, you can see that my RouterOS is already up to date. Next is downgrade configuration. The purpose of downgrade configuration is if the hardware is not support for the new version, and then because of that you must to downgrade the RouterOS. Okay, the first you must to open browser and then click mikrotik.com, click software, download archive. Okay, my router is stable, and then I want to downgrade to release 9.47.7. Click the release 9.47.7, and then because my router architecture is SMIP, I choose the SMIP's architecture. This is the file RouterOS min SMIPs min 9.47.7.npk, and then click right, copy link address, open Winbox again, and then type the command /tool page URL, and then pass the link address, and then the mode is HTTPS, and click enter. The status is downloading. You must to wait until the status is finished. Okay, the status is finished, and next step is check the file with the command file print. Okay, the file is already to have. And next, doing a downgrade configuration with command system package downgrade, and then click enter, click Y for reboot, and then waiting until the reboot is already, and then waiting the reboot is successful. Okay, connect again with MAC address, and then click connect, and then check the RouterOS with command system resource print. Okay, you can see that the router had successful for downgrade configuration. This is my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and then don't forget to share to your friends. And then thank you.